Welcome to the Caterpillar booth, World of Concrete 2019. Now Caterpillar's got a great portfolio of products launching here new at the show. If you can join us, come on in, talk to our product experts. For those of you who can't make it, let's have a walk around the booth and see what's new. Norma, glad you could host us here at the show. Could you take us through this new UTV and how it might appeal to folks that are working in this concrete industry?
Absolutely, Joel. We are so excited to have our CUV 85, which is our 5-seater gas machine today at World of Concrete. So as you can see, these are probably more affordable than you think. The CUV 85 has a starting MSRP at $16,799.
Well, I'll tell you what, Norma, now that you put me in the driver's side of this, I'm sold. I'm going to recommend this to my dad up in Ohio because this is going to wash out easy. And at that price, how can you afford not to have one?
Joel, the cool thing is, has enough power to get anything you want to done on the pig farm. And guess what? You got whole room for the crew.
All right. Hook me up, Norma.
All right. Thanks, Joel, for stopping by.
All right. On to Adam Lucia with the Telehandler Group. He's going to take us through this product. All right, Adam.
Good morning, Joel. Nice
Good to see you.
you.
Hey, I'll tell you what, could you take us through this telehandler here at the booth at World of Concrete? Let's see it.
Yeah, I'd like to. Thank you very much. So, yes, this is our TH3510 D series telehandler. One of the things that you'll see is this is a low boom machine, not typically seen in North America where you have the conventional TL style with a high boom. If you're sitting in that operator seat, you've got great visibility all around. So as we walk down the side of the machine, you can see that the machine footprint is actually quite long. We have quite a long wheelbase, but that gives us great stability, a great stable operating platform. When you've got that 3-section boom out to nearly 10 meters with a heavy load on, you've got a good, comfortable ride. You know that you're not going to tip yourself forward. The other thing that's very easy to see is I can walk straight up to the side of this C4.4 Tier 4 final engine and I can get to all of the daily checkpoints, I can get to all of my filters, and I can easily maintain and keep an eye on the engine to give it the most uptime.
Awesome. Adam, sounds like a great performing machine.
Thank you very
Easy to
much.
service, going to have a long life in that Caterpillar yellow color.
We hope so.
Let's go have a look at that brand new Backhoe, the 440 with Todd Lang. Come on over. All right, Todd Lang.
So, how you doing?
Backhoe Loader Commercial Manager.
Yes.
Todd, 440? I've never seen that decal. Tell us about it.
Well, this is the first time the customers have seen it too. We're just launching this brand new model, the 440. It's built off of our F2 platform, the 430 with the 15-foot reach back end, but with more performance, 25% more lift performance from the back end. Additionally, we have 2 tools that are on this, what makes the Backhoe loader so versatile. We have the brand new B8 hammer. So when you break stuff, and then you can also use the front end to clean up all the mess here with the new BP25. All right, Joel's sitting in the seat. The great thing about the introducer here, seat mounted controls. So when you're facing the front loader, you're ready to go to work. Whether you want to start loading stuff, digging on dirt, it's a parallel lift. So with forks and everything, good feature. Now,
Awesome.
The best part about it, you're turning around to do the excavator part.
Look at that.
Controls go with you. You're ready to dig right away.
Very impressive, Todd. This is going to be a comfortable way for folks to spend their day.
Yeah, really excited. Thanks for stopping by, Joel, to introduce the brand new 440.
Thanks for hosting us. Next on the list, let's go talk with Mark Perks about how those micro and mini hex excavators are going to change the industry. All right, Mark Perks.
What's going on, man?
Mini hex product expert here is going to tell us how this next generation excavator is changing the game. Take us through it, Mark.
Sounds good. Hey guys, customers have asked us for 3 main things to improve the excavators. And that's making it a better experience, improving the productivity of the machine, and improving the servicing of the machine. Today, all excavators, to move the machine, you've got to use these travel levers. And we're going to continue to have the machine with these travel levers, but with the push of one button, now I'm in stick steer mode. I can control the travel of this machine just like a skid steer. Let's talk about performance. So we've improved the performance of this machine, whether it's pushing, digging, by 20%. Something else we've improved, we've got the industry first sealed and pressurized cap. It's going to keep your office nice and clean. What's another industry first is we're going to have the first air conditioning system in a 1 to 2 ton excavator. And it's all controlled right here through our industry first full color monitor. We're also going to have radio that can be attached to Bluetooth So you can listen to your Spotify, your iTunes, you'll have caller ID, you can answer phone calls, all right through the monitor. Let me show you one other industry first on the experience side. How many of you have had to take this excavator long distances? Well, we're gonna make it even more comfortable for you. So when you're traveling and you click this trigger, that machine will continue to travel at that rate of speed. And we're calling it cruise control. You can make steering corrections and you're gonna have the most comfortable ride in the industry. The third thing customers said they would love for us to improve is the serviceability. So on this machine, when you're doing your daily maintenance, still ground level, you got access to all your ground level servicing right here. Just opening these side panels. But if you've got major service work that needs to get done, we've got a brand new tilt cab. So just look at the access that you can get by simply undoing 2 bolts and lifting this cab.
Awesome walk around. Easy to own, easy to operate, easy to purchase.
That's right.
Next on the list, let's go talk to Greg Worley about this 310, the big brother to this next gen Hex, and see what's going on there. All right, Greg Worley, product expert for the next gen Hex. He has taken this from concept all the way to customer, and he's going to take us through this new 310. Let's hear about it.
Excellent. So, not just about the 310, Mark has already shared with you those features and benefits that we have on the 1 to 2 ton machines. All of those features and benefits pretty much transfer all the way up to the larger machines. So the monitor that you saw on the 301.7, the exact same monitor that's on this 310. Now, as well as the 310, this is the 4th in our portfolio on this larger machine lineup for next generation. We have the 307.5, which is a fixed boom standard tail swing machine, your entry level into the larger excavator. And then we have our 308, that's the Mac Daddy. That 308 does everything you need it to do. Then we have a 309, which is adding high flow to a 308. So those hydromechanical tools, when you need that multi-function application, we've got a dedicated auxiliary pump running our auxiliary circuits. And then we have this one, our 310. This is the big one. Fixed boom, standard tail, long undercarriage. Great diggability, great craning up to 10,000 pounds. Opportunity there to get a lot done in a very small package, which makes this machine easy to transport, get into subdivisions, get in to do debris cleanup, get in to do refurbishment work. This is going to be a great opportunity in our 310.
Phenomenal machine, Greg. Can't wait to see these on job sites.
Thank you.
Next on the list, small wheel loaders with our product expert, Scott Britton. Let's go have a look. All right, one of my favorite products at the show, Scott Britton out of our engineering department, now turned product expert. He knows this machine inside and out. Could you take us through this machine, a little bit what we've done to it and how it's going to help in the concrete industry?
Absolutely, Joe.
Take
Be
it
more
away.
than happy to. So let's go over and take a look at the linkage and the coupler on this machine. So what you're seeing now is a sneak peek in our brand new cast fusion coupler. So we have opened up the windows here for a much improved visibility, up to 85% improvement. So if you're doing any kind of fork work whatsoever, you can see through your coupler now to get down to that fork work. Furthermore, we've currently enhanced that by bringing in our cast linkage as well. So we've improved the visibility coming down the linkage. So that's exclusive to our 930s and our 938s. A couple other nice enhancements that we have coming online to this machine are new an LED lighting package for both our roading lights as well as our work lights up top. So again, just making your work much easier for your day at any given point. Now, we also have things like the CPM, the Caterpillar production measuring system on it, so a scale system. We have a tiring monitoring system on it. We have an auto lube system on it. So again, all things that complement that concrete aggregate industry that we want to help you with every day.
Phenomenal product. Thanks for taking us through it.
Absolutely, sir.
Next, we're going to have a look at our skid steer loaders and our CTLs, compact track loaders with Kevin Coleman. Let's walk on over. All right, Kevin Coleman.
Good to see you, Joel.
Legend in the industry. Take us through these skid steers and CTLs and how they play a role in the concrete industry. Kevin, let's have a look.
Absolutely. World of Concrete 2019. We're excited to be here yet again this year. We've got 2 models out here on display, a wheel machine and a track machine. One of the things we feature in the concrete industry especially is that if you're grinding, dealing with concrete, whether you're brooming it, maybe you're using a milling head, cold planer, if you will. You want to be in an environment that is a sealed and pressurized environment, keep a lot of that dust and debris away from you. As an operator, we got a one-piece cab that we feature on our machines, but it gives you a nice, quiet, clean, comfortable environment to do that type work in. We'd love for you to come by and talk to us, look at some of the attachments we have out here that we can help you with and help you do your job better, faster, and more efficiently.
Awesome, Kevin. Great segue. Speaking of attachments, let's go next talk to Dante Thomas on the attachments team and see the latest. All right,
Hey,
Dante Thomas, the
going on, Joel?
man who
How you
knows
doing?
attachments. I'm good. I'll tell you, can you take us some of the new stuff we've got here at the show?
Absolutely,
How
Joel.
it appeals to the
I
concrete
will.
industry?
So in the concrete industry, we have our box blade that we introduced last year. So this is our BB124, and it does great work, and the benefits of that is saving time, saving fuel, saving labor, and saving material. The systems that we have available allows you to have GPS, total station, and you can use laser. So we're introducing new technology this year as well. The Earthworks Go system allows you to use your smartphone to operate the entire grade control system from inside the cab. It allows you to do slope, it allows you to do one laser or two lasers, and it's portable from one system to another. So it's a great solution in helping our customers make the best productivity solutions at the lowest cost per hour. All of these attachments in these machines are also available on shop.cat.com. Shop, compare, search, and even purchase machines and attachments online. Pick it up at your dealer and continue that relationship in your purchasing journey.
Awesome. Thanks for taking us through that, Dante. What a great new platform to make it easy for folks to find what they're looking for. Caterpillar is proud to support this industry, and you can see from the breadth of products that we offer, services, making it easy online, that we want to be business partners with you. So whether you're an existing customer or a new one, invite you to get with your local Caterpillar dealer and join the Caterpillar family.